Okay, in this video, I'm going to talk about the mirror entities tool in the sketch. So, for mirror entities, it's when you create something and you want to have it have a reflection about some axis. So, we're going to go ahead and create a center line, and this will be our main line that we're going to be mirroring about. So, let's say I made some random sketch here, and I want to mirror this. So, I would say mirror entities and then mirror about, then it mirrors over like so. Okay, so maybe this is a butterfly. Kind of looks like a butterfly. But you can see that, if I make a change on one side, then it'll update accordingly. And all the dimensioning rules that we talked about will apply. So right here, we're mirroring it about the center line. You could mirror it about any other direction. So you could go ahead and play with that. But that's pretty much it for mirror entities. It's great when you have symmetry, and that way you don't have to duplicate both the right and left 2 times. Okay? So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.